Okay, last time we learnt that atoms are the smallest particle that make up matter. So every material that you can hold is made up of atoms. Even though they're made up of other things, we call them the smallest whole particle, making up matter. And we can just picture atoms as a single ball or a sphere, like this one here. But what we've actually discovered is that atoms can join together. So we can see in this picture here, we've got two atoms and they've joined together next to each other. Atoms can join together. And actually, what scientists have found is that atoms prefer to join together with other ones. Just like people, they don't like to be lonely and left on their own. They prefer to be found together. So we have a couple of pictures here. This is showing the same two atoms, but this view here is showing us that there's an actual join between the two. And we call the join between two atoms a bond, or technically a chemical bond. So when atoms are joined together, they make one whole particle now. So the two atoms here, they'll fly around and they'll move around as a whole single particle. And they'll act just like normal particles that we've learnt about. So once atoms are joined together, we give this a name too. These are called molecules. So if we go and define a molecule, we can say that they're one or more atom that's bonded together or joined together. One or more atom bonded together. So looking down at this diagram here, we can see that molecules can be lots of different shapes and sizes. Molecules have a lot of variety. Some molecules can be simple, with just two atoms joined together, but other ones can be a lot more complicated, with quite a few atoms all joined in a particular shape. And here's another diagram showing how complicated molecules can be. This is actually a molecule of glucose, which is part of sugar that's found in lots of our foods. And we can see there's lots of atoms here all joined together to make up one molecule. So when atoms all come and join together, they make molecules.